Hey DIYers, and welcome back to DIY Hookup. Today I'm sharing with you this easy DIY. It's a farmhouse mirror. So last week I told you guys about Topcashback. It's a rebate program that you sign up for, and whenever you shop online, you look for that store first and you click on it, and Topcashback brings you right to that site as they track what you spend so that they can give you your cash back. So Dollar Tree is one of the stores that are participating with this program, and last week I shared with you how I shopped on dollartree.com and I got cash back for that. And what I ordered were these wall mirrors in black frames. These were a pack of 4. The minimum was to buy was 4. So I'm also using this acrylic paint here in warm white. Be careful when you take those cardboards off the corner, because this is what happened to me, but I just glued them back on. So now I took all 4 frames and glued them all together, and then I went ahead and painted them. As you can see here, I wanted it to be that farmhouse style kind of chippy look. So what I did was I had this sandpaper from the Dollar Tree. It was the 400 grit, and I just took it on the edges and like the little corners and just sanded it down just a little, like so. So I also have this wreath form and some reindeer moss. I took some hot glue and just glued the reindeer moss all around the wreath. And now you have this really simple, easy DIY, and it's this farmhouse mirror. So I think it came out really cute. I love the way the paint looks with the chippy corners that I did with the sandpaper. And then I just hung the wreath with some ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I also added some twine on the top of the mirror to hang it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really simple DIY. If you did, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about it. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to leave you guys the link to sign up for Topcashback so you guys can start getting cash back when you shop online.